my soul singing, my soul sings. Welcome back to My Healing Voice and the videos for beginners at singing and everyone who is interested in our voice and what it can do for us. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. Maybe you even sang the Christmas carol Silent Night with me. And today we are going to continue with the basics of intonation and phono gestures that help our body to remember the distance between two tones in different intervals. So last time we learned do, re, mi, and I gave you a riddle to solve. I showed you the beginning of a song by the famous group ABBA, which was also used in a famous film with Meryl Streep. And the melody went. So now we can sing it and you are sure to recognize what song it is. So this is do, re, mi. So we begin with re, do, 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 re, mi, re, do, re, do. Do you recognize the song? Mamma mia, here I go again, my mind. You can let me know in the comments if you guessed right. And today we are going to add 2 more notes. So we start with do, re, mi, and the next one is fa, and we point down with our thumb to show and to realize that this time we make only a small step up, smaller than before, because it's only semitone. So do, re, it's a big step. Re, mi, it's a big step, but mi, fa is just a semitone, just a little bit up. Let's practice singing those notes and using the phono gestures at the same time. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, do. And in the previous video, we also jumped from do to mi, do, mi, do, mi. And now, if we want to sing do, fa, we need to make even larger space between the 2 notes. It's do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, do. So you can practice singing these intervals over and over again until your muscles and musical memory remember them. And let's add 1 more tone, which is so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, do, so, do. Why this gesture? I guess it's because this so, this note, adds kind of stability to the scale. Do, so we can lean on it. Do. In Czech language, we have a children's song that begins exactly with this sequence of tones. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. Kočka leze dírou, which means a cat is crawling through a hole. And I was searching for a similar song in English language. I even asked ChatGPT, but he wasn't able to give me one single song like that. The nearest song he suggested was one quite a famous song where the note re is missing. What I'm going to do now is to show you this song, and I can show you the whole song because it only uses these 5 tones, which is cool for our purpose. And then I'll give you 3 options to choose from. And write me in the comments which of the 3 songs you think it is, A, B or C. So let's start. I'm looking forward to your guesses, and in the next video we will finish the whole scale, and I'll show you the connection between the phono gestures and musical notation. So if you master the phono gestures and singing along with them, it will help you a lot to be able to read music. If you don't want to miss it and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it right now. That's all for today. Have a great time and may our souls sing.